Right.
This is Aaliyah Sutton here reporting to you about the rainforest. Rainforests are known as the lungs of the world because of the oxygen we breathe. Some animals spend their whole life in the canopy and never come to the ground. On the rainforest floor, the trees block out 99% of the sunlight. Enough water comes out of the Amazon for everyone in the world to have a bath every hour.
This is Aiden Lodger reporting live from the rainforest, and I have some important facts to tell you today. I love chocolate. Did you know that chocolate comes from a plant on the floor level of the rainforest? Rainforests can be anywhere the climate is warm, wet, with plenty of rain. 60 inches of rain per year to be exact. Plants make up all the oxygen we breathe. Rainforests are known as the lungs of the world. Rainforests have the most variety of animals than anywhere in the world. Some live in the canopy level. Here, these animals never leave. They live their whole lives here, never touching the floor level. That's all I have for you today, so please join me, Aiden Waldron, next time for more of the rainforest.
Hi, I'm Andrew, reporting on the rainforest. Rainforests grow where the weather is warm and rainy. It rains more than 60 inches of rain a year in the rainforest. The rainforest has the greatest amount of different kinds of animals on the planet. The planet is the rainforest. The plants in the rainforests make all the oxygen that we breathe. Some plants can store the rain, water, and animals can drink it. The top layer of the rainforest is called a canopy. Some animals live there whole lives just in the canopy. The floor of the rainforest is very dark because the trees block out the sunlight. But most importantly, chocolate comes from plants in the rainforest.
This is Aiden Russell reporting from the rainforest. It is a special plant in the rainforest that grows chocolate. 60 inches of rain. 60 inches of rain a year in the rainforest. The climate has to be warm in the rainforest. Many different animals in the rainforest.
This is Bria reporting live from the rainforest. Chocolate comes from a plant that lives in the rainforest. There are 4 layers in rainforest. Canopy is top layer. Animals stay in canopy their whole life. Jaguar is on forest floor, and it is darkest layer. Rainforests are very wet. They have at least 60 inches of rain per year.
This is Dominic reporting live from the rainforest. This is my friend Moot the monkey, and he's going to help us learn about the rainforest. A lot of plants, like where the plant where chocolate comes from, lives here. The most top predator in the rainforest is the jaguar. Oh, here comes a snake. Ah, it jumped on me. Ah, it's a snake. Get out of here, snake. hear it.
Here comes another little monkey. Oh, it's a jaguar. Emily the jaguar has joined us.
It's a roaring tiger.
Hello, I'm Abby Coleman and I am reporting from the rainforest, and I will teach you 4 facts about the rainforest. And I have my good assistant here, my sister Marley Coleman. And I will teach you 4 facts that chocolate comes from a plant, and rainforest gets a lot of rain. Rainforests have 60 inches a year, and there are a lot of animals in the rainforest. Thank you for watching on the TV, and thank you, Assistant Marley Coleman, my sister. Bye-bye.